My name is Prakash and I am accepted challenge of 365 degree of my life and 360 degree I change your my life. And today I will discuss my hometown story. Okay, but first of all you are to relate it for your village. Okay, because most of the person are to Gen Z generation and your life are to urbanization. But you are 100%, you are to 100% need from the urbanization? No. Why? Because the reality of the urbanization is the lower perspective you have changed. But different people, different thinking, different behavior. You so share your front of side. At that time, in my village name is Viramgam, is my hometown and my grassroots level I to be joined. But at that time, most of the person says I am understand from this Viramgam village, this is the poor, this is and at the time I am not interested. Why? Because I am 100% and I have 100% trust for my village. Why? Because it's my born in Viramgam. At that time, I have decided how to change of the society mindset in this my village. Because this is culture, right? Because 100% purity of your culture in your life and living in your village. But urbanizations and the development growth are very increased in your city area. At the time, this nearby is Ahmedabad to be pathway very shortage. Regarding of your Viramgam village, this is the underdevelopment. Maybe most of the person says, but at the time the dark side of the reality, okay, not as under employment, something is underdevelopment. But I decided, how can I change? This is my first priority. Okay, not a questions that is the underdevelopment, but this is my mindset, and this is I am decided. How can change this problem? For example, in my grassroots village, as this is a grassroots village, this is a education problem. Okay, and how to change of the education dimension? It is the not practical way. Understanding as a not practical way to teach or teaching method use. Why? Because this is the first priority of the teacher as a money. But I have the 100% perspective of the change. How can this problem solve? And at that time, I am a online educator in the YouTube platform and other one application, and I am offline teacher. In this my hometown story. But different people, different story. In your city, as your village, and this other one, not matter. But this is which one your mindset are to clear for your life. And which one mindset you are to clarity of 100% sure in your life and this career opportunity you are clearing. Okay. So first one you are good or bad. Okay. Not directly decided this urbanization area, something like urban and as a village are two different and this is the underdevelopment and the development. That is not matter. That is the matter of this mindset. How can change this problem? And how can change this solution problem? And last one of my life money in my hometown. Any money and how much money for you, how many money, not matter. That is the matter of the village, the parents, the society, the culture. This is the top of your life. Cream. Okay. So first one, you proud for your village and you love from the society and love from culture. And thank you so much here. And the next day, day 4, decided 365 days to be continue, improve as my English, as my thought process in 360 degree, my change of for my as personal growth development. Thank you so much.